Hello all, welcome to another edition of Full Series and Runs. This edition we have DC Comics, Black Canary Vol.3. This series came out in 2007. 4 issues, no trades. Here we have issue number 1. Living with Sin. I'm living in sin at the Holiday Inn. Issue number 2. I always liked the Black Canary fishnet look. Issue number 3. And issue number 4. Final Answers. And there we have DC Comics, Black Canary, Volume 3. And as always, I thank everybody out there for viewing, subscribing, liking. King Joe out.